All right, part 3. So look, and it's like with the they're trying to like, comment, subscribe if you guys hit the bell notification if you guys have it. But yeah, with they're trying to get the like show people that they're better for whatever, doing this sales team and doing this sales company, but you're paying to be a part of it. I don't know what the frick. So it's like, man. Anyways, so it's just like to being able to see that. That's when I said I can't sell my soul. I cannot. My soul is too rich. It's too prosperous. It's way worth than millions of dollars. It's way more worth than millions of dollars. That's why you see these rappers, these young rappers, they're really young. They're getting younger and younger, and they pay this nigga to say, shoot it, to kill it, to butter, to murder, do some, and then question is go things that go against his sexuality, and they use the image of him being the original habitat of Black, him being Black, in order to place that as symbolism, in order to use that as a positional guide, in order to further enhance their agenda. That's how they paying them. They ain't doing nothing. I got the good, I got the G, I got the ability to put on your bitch. I'm gonna put your bitch and shoot it, and nigga will shoot it, click. All of my niggas with me, click. I always do it with the dicks. What? No, the nigga do the, but the nigga don't even say that. But the nigga dressing like a fag, pushing their agenda on you. Your soul is too rich. You are the rich soul folk. You are the real rich people. This is the richest continent in the world. You think I'm wrong? Why does ever all these foreigners come to America? Why do they come to this continent, huh? We feed the world. Look at the food that goes around that's transported across the world. We feed them. They get our food from us. We got to stand up. We got to claim what's ours and obtain what's ours and cut those that are off. So, say this. Look right here. With that MLM group, you know, they realize it was a lot of other people like that too. Like a lot of other, I guess they're supposed to be the group leaders, whatever, and they had a bunch of group leaders. So it's just like, I feel like it was some type of gang stuff, really. And it was like, oh, you're up. What do they call it? You're up leader, up something. I don't remember later. But it was just like, they'll do that in order to keep you like track of things, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, and it was like too, he was getting at me like far back. Sometimes I would hit him back some serious messages because like I said, I was going through the abuse of my biological father. And it was very serious to the point where I was going to leave and I didn't know where the place I was going to go because I just couldn't take the abuse because it would be better than me sitting in a jail cell. You dig what I'm saying? And you guys know this because we've been through this type of narcissism. We are survivors. And it's the same way as far as in correlations, like with your soul, especially as us original inhabitants, soul people, there are a lot of souls. There are a lot of Blacks that are dead souls. You hear me? A lot of Blacks that are dead souls. You got to realize your soul is so rich. Even the people, they sell their soul for millions and multi-millions of dollars. Why do you think they try so hard to try to get it back after they sold their soul? They're never happy, no matter how many millions, how many accolades. How do you think they're so happy with selling their soul? And I'm not saying we have been pushing the challenge time, because we were working a job, a 9-to-5 job at Starbucks. Only brown man at the job. It was hell, doing a lot of things that I guess went against us, but we're simply doing it for the fiat. It's very tough, very tiring. I remember working at a pizza joint as a vegetarian. Touching meat, all this meat, but I don't eat meat. As a vegetarian, simply for the fiat. We have to talk about self-sufficiency. We have to talk about getting off the narcissist's neck, getting currency, getting money, and getting away from the narcissist. That entails, and that gets from starting our own business, getting our own business, using our skills, our gifts, our things of value that the narcissist tried to take from us, try to claim it as them, copy it, and try to hinder our own growth. We have to take that. We have to be able to monetize. And so I heard from a man who makes $7 million a month, Greg Cardone, says, I don't trust anybody who's not selling me anything. We have to use our gifts and our talents in order to help those that want to be helped, provide our services. And a lot of times people don't know how to, where to go, where to start. This is why, for me, I take this business course. Best business course I've ever taken. I've literally paid coaches thousands of dollars, but for the practice of this, it's a fraction of that. It's a steal. It's a steal worth how much value it is. It's basically like a boot camp. It's like a people that want to get serious and want to make a change. Comes with a book. You'll see me talk about it before on this channel. So y'all seen I did it. The 30 days book. Y'all want to get serious. Y'all want to make a change. Y'all get with that. The book for that. The link for that is in the description box. Let me know, man. How have y'all, let me know your experience as far as with the narcissist trying to steal your soul. Trying to steal your soul, or those trying to steal your soul and environment because it was so valuable. Let me know that. Let me know when that happened to you. And go into detail. I'm listening. I'll be reading. But if you guys like this, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the bell notification, subscribe, and share this to those that need it. Check out our artwork, one-of-a-kind artwork. You see us create this, craft this stuff at healingthroughinspiration.com/shop. You guys seen us create this craft, time-lapse on YouTube, on our YouTube channel, on our playlist. Go look at the art mask making. And as well, too, we got our apparel. Caps, t-shirts, polos, jackets, hoodies, socks, accessories. Go get something. Go get something, man. Go ahead, something that's stylish, you dig? But for you guys, this is great. This is great that you guys are here, because all it is a step closer to your change. So now go do the rest, man. Y'all have a great one. Peace, love, and light.